Looky what I found. Hey, other. Use that to get it out of the brush. It's covered in vines. Trees growing up around it. Wondered where that thing was. Actually, just vines growing over the back end of it. Figured I'd clear the vines back, keep the critters out, and start the darn thing up. Not gonna start it today though. 1980 F700 with a Tel-E-Lect boom on it. 18-inch auger, good for 10 feet. I put up 50-foot poles with it. A lot of 50-footers. Made a lot of money with that thing in a day. It's been a couple of years since I tried to start it. I haven't used it much in probably 10 years. Probably been 10 years since I used it doing much anything. Tried to start it a couple of years ago, roughly a couple of years ago, give or take. Motor still turned over good. Couldn't get fuel to the carburetor. If it was getting to the carburetor, it wasn't going through the jets or anything, so I'll try to run a fuel line down into the carburetor from above and see if it'll start that way. If it will, I'll know it's just fuel lines and fuel pump, fuel tank. Otherwise, I'll probably end up pulling the carb off of it and cleaning the carb middle run if it's not seized up. But, yep, just wanted to get it cleared out around it, get vines and everything off of it so I can start cleaning it up and get it started and look for rats and whatever else. In the next month, I expect to be driving that thing around my place here. Helps me pull trees down and pick up heavy stuff, clean up the land with it. That and of course that. And a dozer to get it going. Yep. Be good to have that old truck running.